In today's video, I'll walk you through how to share admin access to your Meta Business Manager and assign assets step by step. First, log in to your Meta Ads Manager, then go to Business Settings. Here, you'll see a list of people who already have access to your Business Manager. To add someone new, click Invite People. Type the email address of the person you want to give access to. If you want to grant full admin control, toggle the Manage option under Full Control. In the advanced options, you can also provide finance access if needed. Now click Next. You'll be asked to select the assets you want to share. Start with your Facebook pages, select the pages, and assign the permission level. Next, choose Add Accounts and assign the access level. You can also share other assets like pixels, Instagram accounts, catalogs, or domains if they're available. Once you've set everything, click Next and then hit Invite. The person will receive an email invitation, and once they accept it, they'll have access to your Meta Business Manager and the assigned assets. And that's it. You've successfully shared admin access in Meta Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.